Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing this Luce Therapy Wand, which is basically a smart facial wand designed to restore youthful looks in a smart, non-invasive way using microtherapy, LED phototherapy, sonic vibration therapy, and heat therapy. So they're all listed out over here. Ooh, it comes in a beautiful, tight little package right there and comes with the charger. All right, so we have step one, tear this off, pull this down to make it 90 degrees. All right. It comes fully charged, which I love. So basically the moment you put it on your skin, all four of the therapy technologies happen all at once. So you're gonna get your sonic low intensive vibrations, your heat therapy, your red light therapy, your microcurrent. They do recommend that you test it on your skin before putting it close to your eyes or before putting it on your face, just to make sure that you enjoy the sensation, it's okay, there's not gonna be any irritations or redness or different stuff like that, which it does say that it will leave your skin a little bit red, but that is totally normal due to the microcurrent feature. And then when the battery is low, you just go ahead and charge it, and here's the charger right there, and that's it. So when you're done, you can go ahead and just turn that, lock that into place, just wipe it down, and you're all set for the next use. And so that's how you use the Luce 4T Therapy Wand. If you want to purchase your own, check out the link below. And if you like unboxings, continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.